In this video, we will see how to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows system. Before proceeding with the installation, let me ask a question. What is the need of installing VirtualBox? Why we are installing it, right? So the answer is very simple. Suppose in my laptop there is a Windows operating system and I don't want to touch that, and there is a need where I need to work on different operating system. For example, I want to work on Windows. Apart from Windows, I want to work on Mac OS, Solaris, Linux platform, any other operating system like Fedora, whatever, Oracle Linux, Oracle, whatever operating system apart from Windows I want to work. Let's say an example. I want to install an Oracle software on Oracle Linux machine. Then what is the solution here? Am I going to touch the original operating system and just removing the Windows from the laptop and install the new operating system? Not, because if suppose after that I have a requirement to test something on other operating system apart from Oracle Linux like Solaris, Mac OS, and even it is required Windows, then again is it possible to change the operating system on your laptop? Not, because this is registered version in my laptop, so it is not going to change, right? I'm not going to change that. So to avoid those things, we have a solution. But Oracle VirtualBox provide a facility where we can install different operating systems using on this platform using this VirtualBox. So whenever we need different operating, it is a very smooth process. We can create any kind of operating system on VirtualBox. No need to touch the original Windows, right? So simple. So this is the official website where you can download on whatever platform you want to install. For that you can download from here, or you can simply search in Google, download Oracle VirtualBox. Simple. So it is an official website of VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. From here also you can download. See, latest version is 7.1.6 platform and it is available for these many operating system. So just accept the license, it will allow to download. But I'm going from here only. Here also it is showing the latest version 7.1.6, right? And everything you will get here, what are the how to install, what are the package we need to install. But simply download it from just for example, I'm installing in Windows. Just simply click on Windows installer. So before starting this video, I already downloaded VirtualBox here, right? So let me run this installer. Let's say what happened. Suppose if I am trying to install this, but it is throwing an error, right? Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.6 need the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistribution package. So we need to install this package first, then we can try to reinstall it, right? So this is the prerequisites for this VirtualBox latest version. Let me click on OK. So you can either search on Google, or I will provide the links of Microsoft C++ redistribution package in the video description, so you can go with that only. So here is the Microsoft official website, Visual C++ redistribution for the 2015, right? Here's the language you can download from here. See, it is available for Windows 64, Windows 60, and 86, 32-bit and 64-bit. So this is a simple package you can download from here. Or if you want to check what are the latest version of Microsoft C++ distribution, so here is a link. I will provide this link also in video description. See, 15, 17, 19 and 22 version itself. So I would always prefer to install latest things in the laptop, so that we will not stuck in further So here are the links. Here ARM version is also available, 32-bit version available, 64-bit available. So you can go with 64. Whatever operating system you have, you can go with that, right? So before starting this video, I also already downloaded this one as well. Here is the setup. Let me run this exe file first, then we will try to install VirtualBox, right? So okay, let me click on it. See, just need to agree the license and install it. Yes. Let me minimize this window. Here it is successfully installed. Within few seconds it got installed. Now we have set up a VirtualBox, so we can click on it and we will try to install. Let me minimize it. Now it will not throwing error, right? For example, it started the wizard for install. Just accept the license agreement, click on it, keep it default setting, no problem. And here it is giving some warnings. Install the Oracle VirtualBox will change the network, reset the network settings. So we will proceed, yes. It will also install the missing dependencies. Click yes, and here you can customize it. You want to desktop shortcut, not want, just unjack or check, whatever you want. So I will go with default settings only, and click on install. So it will take few minutes and it will complete. Okay, if you see desktop icon is already created, and yeah, See, it is finished. Just an error, please check the installation log for more information. Alternatively consult. So there is no error, you can just restart your machine in case required. But as you see, the VirtualBox is already installed. Let me open it. See here, it is the home screen of VirtualBox. So this video is all about how to install VirtualBox and what error we will get. We got the C++ distribution error, so we go fix that. And this is the latest version of Oracle VirtualBox in my laptop.